Would you believe you can still find classic American cars like these for under 10 grand? Some run and drive, while others are waiting for the right comeback. Let's check them out.
Car number 1, 1967 VW Beetle, $9,000. Starting with this 1967 Volkswagen Beetle in Huntsville, Alabama, priced at $9,000. It still wears much of its original ruby red paint and has a nicely restored interior. The engine starts and pulls well, although it has some noticeable piston slap. The seller includes parts for a future engine rebuild, making this a cool classic driver with potential.
Car number 2, 1964 Buick Wildcat, $8,500. Next is this 1964 Buick Wildcat for $8,500 in Indianapolis. Powered by a 401 Nailhead V8, this big Buick runs and drives excellent, according to the seller. It has received plenty of recent mechanical upgrades, including brakes, radiator, ignition parts, and more. It does need a power steering line, but overall, this looks like a solid weekend cruiser.
Car number 3.
(1963) Plymouth Fury Convertible, $8,500. This 1963 Plymouth Fury Convertible is a Colorado car with a 360 V8, automatic transmission, and an upgraded front disc brake setup. It drives great and has plenty of power, plus solid floors. The convertible top and interior still need work, but for $8,500, it could be a fun and unusual Mopar project.
Car number 4, 1963 Ford Galaxy, $4,000. Here's a 1963 Ford Galaxy 4-door for just $4,000 in Alabama. It has a 352 V8, along with a new fuel pump and carburetor, and the seller says it runs and drives well. There's some rust around the lower quarters, and it comes with a bill of sale only, but it could be an affordable, old-school cruiser.
Car number 5. (1962) Chrysler 300H, $4,000. And number 5 is this 1962 Chrysler 300H Project, priced at $4,000. It comes with a rebuilt 413 V8 and automatic transmission, plus wheels, tires, and plenty of extra parts. The engine hasn't been fired yet, and the restoration still needs to be completed. But with a solid frame and body, this could be a serious project for the right classic Mopar fan.
Car number 6, 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $6,000. Up next is this 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, priced at $6,000 in Brookfield, Ohio. It's a 2-door with a 4-speed manual, and the interior is reportedly in very good shape. It needs some bodywork and may need a fuel pump, but for someone wanting a classic Corvair project, this could be a solid starting point.
Car number 7, 1966 Mercury Park Lane, $9,500. This 1966 Mercury Park Lane is listed for $9,500 in Owasso, Michigan. Showing just over 41,000 miles, it has been owned by the same family and passed down from grandparent to grandson. The seller says it's in great condition, and even the unique retractable rear breezeway window still works. A very cool survivor with an interesting family history.
Car number 8. $1965 Ford Falcon, $5,000. Here's a 1965 Ford Falcon for $5,000 in Zionsville, Indiana. It has a 200 cubic inch straight six, and the seller says the entire brake system has been replaced. The car runs, and the interior is in decent shape, but it will need new tires. It appears mostly original, making it an interesting classic for someone who likes a simple, honest old Ford.
Car number 9, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $6,000. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe is listed at $6,000 in Mequon, Wisconsin. It's currently a roller, but it comes with a 302 V8 and automatic transmission, along with plenty of parts. It also includes a front disc brake conversion and power steering components. The body isn't perfect, but there's definitely potential here for a hands-on Mustang project.
Car number 10, 1950 Dodge Meadowbrook, priced at $5,500. And number 10 is this 1950 Dodge Meadowbrook, priced at $5,500 in Niles, Michigan. It has a flathead 6, 3-speed transmission, and Dodge's unique fluid drive system, giving it a different driving experience. The seller says it runs and drives and has a clean title. A quirky and charming piece of early 50s American automotive history.
Car number 11.
1964 Dodge 880, $6,000. Up next is this 1964 Dodge 880, priced at $6,000 in Delphi, Indiana. It's powered by a 361 big block Mopar, and according to the seller, it runs and drives. Not much extra information was provided, but for someone looking for a big, classic Mopar cruiser, this could be an interesting old-school project or weekend car. Car number 12, 1958 Ford Fairlane, $6,500. This 1958 Ford Fairlane 4-door hardtop is listed at $6,500 in Platteville, Wisconsin. It has an inline 6 and a 3-speed manual on the column. The clutch and radiator were replaced about 3 years ago, and the seller says it runs and drives great. A cool piece of late 50s Americana for someone who enjoys a classic cruiser.
Car number 13, 1966 Mercury Monterey Convertible, $8,000. Here's a 1966 Mercury Monterey Convertible, listed for $8,000 in Middletown, Ohio. Showing around 51,000 miles, this blue classic has an automatic transmission. The seller keeps it simple. It's an old convertible that runs and drives. If you're looking for a big, open-top American cruiser, this one could be worth checking out.
Car number 14, 1967 Cadillac Eldorado, $4,500. This 1967 Cadillac Eldorado is priced at just $4,500 in Henrico, Virginia. It has a 429 cubic inch V8, and the seller says it runs and drives with no major rust issues. The big problem is the brakes. They're almost gone, so it definitely needs attention before regular driving. Still, that makes this a potentially affordable classic Cadillac project.
Car number 15, 1968 Dodge Dart SE, $6,500. And finally, we have this 1968 Dodge Dart listed at $6,500 in Delbarton, West Virginia. It has a built 340 V8, full exhaust, and upgraded ECU and distributor, plus plenty of new parts. The seller says it runs and drives great, has no rust issues, and comes with a clean West Virginia title. Definitely one of the more performance-focused classics on this list.
Which one would you take home? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you enjoy finding cool classic cars like these, hit like and subscribe. More hidden gems are coming.